Hello lovely people, bless you for coming. Another update on our board. This is your boy Andy once again, and today I'm here to take you through yet another tutorial on how to make money. And I have one special platform for you that I want to take you through. So on this platform we are going to use this same platform in two different ways to make money. Okay, so Charlie, subscribe so that you don't miss a lot of such videos. Okay, so let's start with this. Just go to your browser. I prefer you use Opera. Okay, but anyway, if you are a fan of other browsers, it is good to use that. Any browser that you prefer, just use that. But for me, I prefer you use Opera. Okay, so with this one, when the platform is called PNGTree. PNGTree is a platform that deals with design resources like backgrounds, PNG images, wallpapers, a whole lot. Okay, a whole lot. So if you are a designer and you are looking for design resources like PNGs, backgrounds to design your work, just come to this platform and you are going to love the kind of images that you are going to find on this platform. So that is not why we're here to make money. Okay, so so what we are going to do is to go check the two ways I'm talking about. On this platform we have two ways that we can make money on the same platform. So with this, scroll down till you come and see this. We have pngtree.com plans legal. So pngtree.com, come and click the arrow here, then for you to drop down, then you will see we have affiliate. See, we have affiliate and contributor project. Okay, so we are dealing with the affiliate program and contributor project. So I will take you through the two one after the other, but we will do with the affiliate program first. Okay, so let's check the affiliate program, how it works. Let's click on the affiliate program test, and it will bring you to the affiliate program page. You scroll down. What you're going to do is to copy your special link that PNGTree has given to you and go out there and promote PNGTree. Anyone that will buy through your link, you get paid. Okay, so you copy the link and you can see they've given you resource pack. What is the resource pack? These are some of the images that you can use to support the link in promoting it. Okay, so if you want to download it, just click on download, and as you can see, download. Okay, and this is your earning dashboard. This is your earning dashboard, total amount, approved balance, and you can withdraw. Simple as that. So let me open this downloaded file. Let me open it in, that's why I change that. Okay, so with this one you can see it is in zip, the folder, it is in zip form. So what you're going to do is to unzip it. Okay, so you need X file manager that can do that job for you. I don't know about other browsers, other files, but it seems this one self I have to pay. Charlie, you don't get money. Okay, so let me close it and check something. No, I don't want to pay, massa. I don't want to pay. Let me go back. Let me close it. Okay, and use a different file manager to see if I'm going to be able to open it. So let me use this one. Okay, so yes, this file manager was able to like give me the folders in the zip file. So what I'm going to do is to extract. I will select the two and extract. Okay, extract, then extract. So now I have the extracted folders here. We'll go back and check. If you are doing this on PC, it should be easy for you. So the files, they are in the promotional resource. Okay, after extraction. So if your file manager cannot extract, or if you are using iPhone, I don't know how you are going to extract it, but you can download it on PC. You extract it using RunRa and other zip extraction softwares, then you copy the images on your mobile phone, or better still, I will copy all this image and add it to a link that will be easy for you to download it without getting the zip. Okay, so be checking in the description. You are going to find this link I'm talking about. So as you can see, these are the promotional images that you can attach with the link that they've given to you. Okay, so let's come back. After getting the resource file, you just have to go out there and promote the link on all platforms: Facebook, X, IG, everywhere. What I say, Trust, everywhere. Go out there and promote it and start making some moolah. So we're done with the affiliate. Let's go back to the home page, and let's scroll down once again. Go to PNGTree.com. Then we are going to contributor project. So click on contributor project. So this is the contributor project home dashboard or page. So when you land here, you just have to click on join us. Okay, upload your first exclusive design, get $5 designer cash-back. So as soon as you upload your first design on this platform, they will give you $5, okay, for that. So join us. When you click on join us, over here you have to fill the forms over here. Your name, surname, public author name, can be your business name or your nickname. Then you choose your country from this side, your city, your ID, your passport number, phone number should be here, contact. Okay, so make sure you fill in all the spaces here. I am not filling it in because I've already done it in my main account, my main PNGTree account. I just wanted to show you how the forms looks like. That's why I use this account that is not on the contributor project. Okay, so I'll pause here and log in into my main account so that you can see the dashboard after signing up on the contributor project. Okay, so it is easy. You just have to fill it and go to next, and they will ask you a few questions. You answer, you provide everything that they will ask, then you are good to go. Okay, so let me log in into my main account and show you something from the contributor dashboard. Guys, I'm in my main account right now. So for what we are going to do is to scroll down. You will see a banner of contributor projects around here. Sometimes you will not see, so if you don't see contributors around the world, join us. If you don't see this, scroll down to the button and just click the arrow here for it to drop down. Then you go to contributor project. Yes, so for me, I've already signed up on the contributor project. So when I click on join us, it will take me to my dashboard. But for you who is new to the contributor project, you have to fill in the forms and sign up. Okay, so I will click on join us. Yeah, so this is my dashboard and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can see this particular page dashboard doesn't support mobile phone size, so sometimes you have to zoom in and out with your hands. Okay, so you can see some of the hot themes here. We have July calendar made by other designers. So these are PNGs. They are the images without background. Okay, and this is template. Okay, this is template. So let's say we want to upload, and as you can see, I already have $5. That is the first amount you receive after uploading your first template or your first PNG or anything on this particular program. Okay, so you can upload image. Make sure the image is original. You can upload, and also quality is high. PNG upload, we have template upload, backgrounds upload. So if you want to upload backgrounds, make sure the backgrounds it is top notch. The quality is there. Okay, so text effect upload. So let's say I want to upload png. They are the images without background. Okay, so how am I going to create png? So I use Photoshop to design. So in my Photoshop, I will create my design in the form of png. Then I'll make sure the png is layered. Every single layer will be there in that particular Photoshop PSD file. Okay, then let me click on the PNG upload. Yeah, so this is the rules that you need to follow in uploading PNG files or PNG work on this platform. So let's check the thumbnail. That is the number one. So the thumbnail should cover 1200 by 1000 pixels. So make sure your thumbnail for your PNG is 1200 by 1000. So when you are setting dimension for your thumbnail in your designing software, you choose that size. I use Photoshop. And someone will say, I don't know how to do all these things. I will take you through in another video in my Photoshop how to do your design, how to save your files, and how to upload them on here. Okay, but for now, let me take you through the rules. And to the next one, so if you are choosing background, to make sure it falls under this dimension. Okay, then the second one is color mode. So if you are designing vector, make sure you use RGB. If you are designing in a PSD file, make sure you use sRGB. So all these things, you will see them when you are setting your dimension in, let's say, Photoshop. You see all these things. And number 3 is resolution. Make sure your resolution is 300 pixels. Okay, all these you see them when you are setting the resolution. And the source file, let's read the rules. The source file in PSD format needs to exceed 2500 by 2500. So the source file that you will save it in PSD, in Photoshop PSD file, make sure it exceed 2500 by 2500. Okay, the set of images needs to exceed 5000 by 5000. The set of images in your PSD, you need to exceed this particular sizes. Okay, there is no size requirement for vector format. So if you are designing in vector format, there's no size requirement. Okay, so this is the rules that you need to follow. And Charlie, when you keep uploading here, trust me, you're going to earn more here and you will thank me. So if you want to see our next video on how to do your PNG designs and how to save them in zip file, because before you can upload, you need to save your files in zip in one folder. Just save everything in one folder and convert the folder into zip file before you upload it over here. Okay, so if you want to see the next video, kindly give us a sub if you haven't done that, and also share for others to get a chance to watch. My name is Andy. Bless you. See you on our next video.